Oh. So we have to cut her. She does identify as she, her, I asked. So we cut into 8 pieces. This is how you cut a sausage stuffed crust pizza. This is the only way to cut a sausage stuffed crust pizza. That's it. So cheers, peers. Oh, you're right, it is. Oh, wait, I need to get some marinara sauce. Me. Thank you. So this is called marinara sauce. Marinara. Yep, we got 84,000 views this week on one show. I was teaching them how to eat Takis, how to eat sour candy, and then we also did a tutorial on how to eat pizza all in the same show. 84K. Oh my goodness, look at that cheese. It's just oozing out. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful to me. Yeah, beautiful. It's true. It's so overwhelmed. Yeah, beautiful. It's true. Oh, you're a ranch girl. Okay. It said, say hi to the workers for me. I am the workers. I work here now. Mhm. It's like school lunch pizza stuff crust. And I was homeschooled. So what do I know? But like, yeah, everything I say is just undermining, condescending, backtracking. I'm homeschooled, but I know what public school kids taste like. But, mm. Were you a home teach? No? You went to public school? My God. I feel so bad for public schoolers. School for homeschool kids was awesome. It was really awesome. Annoying mom, no school. No matter how you slice or dice it, school's over at lunch. I don't care if you start at 11. It's over at lunch. Oh wow, I hate to touch everyone else's pizza, but I'll just eat this one too since she's sick. And I know I won't judge her. Hey, this is the best. This is way better than that one. If you want people watching live, hit that like button. Watch. Well, I shouldn't do so everyone else. But this is how you dip marinara. And then you just and she broke. She has no money. So I never knew it was the Italian sausage that made it taste like that. I would get sausage piece and they get mad it didn't taste like Italian sausage. So now we know we like Italian sausage. I fell asleep on the show the other day because I just eat so much. I woke up 12,000 views. I was like, yeah. Well, my lighting, I looked really good. The lighting stayed. I watched the show after. I was like, okay, I get it. You're talking about it in the chat. That's why I was like, yeah, we did sleep on the show. We did. Honestly, new pizza unlocked. This is my new go-to. And I'm a creature of habit. I like pepperoni pizza. I'm a creature of habit. I just want you to see this cheese bowl. Watch this cheese bowl. Oh, she was a fairy. So I just was a vibe.